Hi, Matt Ramplin reporting. Just a reminder that the O'Loughlin Catholic College Sports Carnival will be next week, Friday, 28th of May, at the Marrara Athletics Stadium. Let's go see how our O'Loughlin athletes have been preparing.
I love cheering on my housemates, you know. No difference between house colours. We're all one family. Make us one.
My favourite part about the Athletics Carnival is the day off school, no work.
How good's dry season? I just get to sit here and relax on the beach.
First, second, third. And one participation point for you, Ryan.
Remember to be sun smart on the day by wearing sunscreen and a hat. Slip, slop, slap!
Remember to wear your house colours on the day and wear your shoes.
And the winner by 1 point is Hunter House.
Now, this is my 1 point.
I love getting a sausage from the sausage sizzle for the year 12 graduation.
And remember, bring a water bottle.
Get hyped, get excited. Remember, participation is key, and make sure to wear your house colours on the day.
Athletics Day, 28th of May.